If you want transparency, you should start with yourself.
Correct.
Where are you spending your billions in presidential
diba?
fund,
Billion
vice presidential
pala ang
funds?
vice presidential
Yung
fund
budget
niya.
po ni Vice President Sara Duterte na 2.3 billion. At yung
2.3
confidential
billion.
funds niya. Eh yung kanyang budget for 2023, yun ang pinakamalaki sa Office of the Vice President, no? At wag natin i-blame ang
Pinakamalaki.
president or the budget or Congress for giving her confidential funds. Ibig sabihin ba, pag binigyan ka ng confidential funds, regalo yan sa iyo, Madam Vice President. Hindi po yan regalo sa iyo.
True.
Public funds pa rin yan.
Yes.
So, if you are pointing a finger at all other government agencies, there are 3 fingers pointing back at you.
At you.
So you start with yourself and
Ganon,
start
no?
with presenting yourself, accounting for public funds in the impeachment court.